Hello. Welcome to another edition of A Cup of Joe with the Adonis Agency. And as promised, I'm going to talk about term insurance today. Term insurance covers you for a specific term. 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 30 years, right? During that time, you have an insurance coverage for X amount of dollars. After that time is over, you are no longer covered. You have to renew. You have to go and take another medical, do another application, and then based on your age and your health and everything, your new coverage would be based on that. Why term is an important aspect to your financial profile. Term gives you the most amount of insurance at the lowest possible cost. And that is very important for certain individuals such as myself. Why I'm an ideal candidate for term policy. I'm a fairly young, newly married couple with a baby in the house, a newborn. So in my position, I want to provide for all my child's life, right? I want to provide until my child is able to take care of himself. I want to make sure there's a roof over my family's head at all times. So now me and my wife has 3 mortgages, a newborn baby. And for the next 30 years, God forbid anything happens, I don't want them to have to worry about where they're going to live, how the bills are going to get paid, or how my son's going to pay for college, right? Because as long as I'm alive, those are my responsibilities. I'm going to do my best to take care of that. But if God forbid something happens, I don't want them to have to worry about that. So why term? Because it'll allow me the ability to buy millions and millions of dollars worth of coverage at the lowest possible cost because I still have other responsibilities. Clearly, I have to pay the mortgage, I have to pay the groceries, I have to do my part while I'm here. So term allows me to get the coverage that I need at the most favorable rate. The great thing about most term policies is that they have a convertibility period where without having to take another medical or without having to prove insurability, I could convert all or portion of my term coverage into something permanent. So what that means is even after the 30 years is up, if I was able to take advantage of the convertibility period, right, I'll have a whole life policy, I'll have a universal life policy, I'll have insurance for life because I was able to convert it without having to prove insurability. So after my son is an adult, after the mortgages are paid, after the big expenses are done, and I'm in my retirement phase, I don't need $2 million worth of insurance. Maybe I just need $150 to take care of the final expenses. So that's what term affords us to do. Get the amount of coverage that we need now and the option of getting something permanent at a later date when our situations change. And that's really it for term in a nutshell. Now, every company has their own versions of it now. I know companies gives you a monthly stipend. There's companies that give you renewable term or return of premium term. Do your research, and when in doubt, feel free to give my agency a call, 631-390-8568. We're here to help. Have a great day, guys.